foreign ministers from dozens of countries endorsed a declaration at the United Nations addressing lethal autonomous weapons systems. The campaign is called "Stop Killer Robots." NASA designing shape-shifting robots for Saturn's moons. Watch our in-depth video on this subject. Geek Plus launches Smart Factory solution, allowing robots to build themselves. Based in China, the factory makes use of AI to train its robots to carry out the manufacturing of its products. Robots made famous on YouTube could be headed to circus. Cirque du Soleil says it's in talks with robot maker Boston Dynamics about using the four-legged Spot robot in its live shows. Want to keep a cow happy? AI, robotics could hold the answer. Watch our in-depth video on this subject. Subscribe for the latest robot headlines.